up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The past, I think, 2 videos that I made, I did notice that I need to go get a dead cat. There's some wind noise, and also you can hear me breathing. So right now I haven't put a dead cat on it, so we're just gonna go with the flow with this video. But right now we are actually heading down to a little mini moto ride. I am by myself today. Normally I have my buddy Kit with his Z125, but he's busy spending some time with his girlfriend, so you know, that's understandable. I'm heading down to, I think it's PB, and I don't know how many people are gonna be there, as in like the ride size, but I am literally riding solo today. But I've rode at this, like, I think with this group of people like a while back. It definitely has been, what, 3 years probably since I had my yellow chrome. But last time I think I came here, I was with the Rider Block boys. I was gonna go because I woke up a little bit late today, and I was like, you know what, they're having this ride down in my area, so we're just gonna go and see what's up. It's 10:30 right now. Supposedly they're leaving around at 11. Should be there in like, what, like 10 minutes or less probably, depending on how these lights go. But yeah, hopefully you guys are liking these motor vlogs. This is definitely way different, but I actually enjoy making these because I'm just like, it's kind of like me making in-car videos with me in there, but it's a lot more work versus this is literally like just throw my helmet on, press the GoPro, that's it, and I'm just recording. And also I have been riding this thing like crazy, and for some reason, if I leave my visor up, my visor is fogging up. I need to get a pin lock for this visor. For some reason, the transition lens for the Shoei helmets, or Shoei, how do you say it? I forgot. The transition lens, they didn't work with my original like clear visor pin lock. So I need to go Party Cycle Gear and see if there's one for this transition lens, because it does help with fogging up your lens and stuff. But it's kind of chilly today. This is supposedly a Hawaiian t-shirt ride, so everyone's supposed to wear Hawaiian shirts, but it is freaking cold. Look at the sky. So I'm literally like wearing a jacket with my windbreaker right now just to stay warm. But for the most part, it feels really nice, especially layered up. I actually do prefer the cold, because versus like what is it called? Versus it being hot, us guys can only go so far. Oh shit. I think there's an ant in my helmet. That's not good. Where'd it go? Dude, I just saw like something on my visor. We're gonna pull up to this ride. Supposedly the meetup spot's at a gas station. Oh look, it looks like a, yeah, that's a CRF like 250, 350. If the sun was slightly out, today would be such a beautiful day. It's still a nice day, but it is very gloomy. But, you know, it's okay. What's going on here? I need to get a quick throttle. Definitely riding this monkey with the upgraded rear shocks, the Racing Brothers chicane shocks, and then the Racing Brothers front fork kit, which does add rebound and dampening. Same with the rear. The front, I actually adjusted it pretty spot on to how I like it. It's not crazy like stiff. It's actually, it absorbs pretty well. The back, I still need to adjust because I think the springs, there's too much preload on them. It's kind of like a car, so even if I turn like the dampening down and the adjustments down, it's still pretty damn stiff. So like on really bad roads, if I hit a bump, like let's just say like a paha or something, my ass actually like flies off the seat. And this seat, this Kataka seat, has some padding, but it's honestly not the greatest, but it will do the job. I definitely can see myself doing like a 3-hour ride with this seat, as long as there's no crazy like harsh roads. Because even on the front, before I adjusted the front forks, just riding, it was so stiff that my hands got numbed. But now it's fine. I can ride the bike longer, especially with these pro grips. These are the 719 pro grips. They do the job. I think this is the right way. Yeah, this is, I think, the right way. Kid actually bought the one that I want, which goes right here, and then he wants this one. So once his come in, then we'll do a full swap. But we are down in Pacific Beach. Also, since I am doing the Coso Big Bore, the 170, I'm going to change my sprockets. So normally if you change your sprockets on these bikes, your speedometer's off, so you buy a speedo healer. But luckily on this op-mid cluster, it has a built-in speedometer, or not, speedo healer, I guess you want to call it. So I just have to change the sprocket size in the settings to like a 16 front tooth, and then the speedometer would be accurate. Pros about having a nice fancy cluster, and I actually just found out that they made these for the Groms, but it's so weird because the Coso, or the op-mid one, which is what I have, is only for the Monkey. For the Groms, not the newer gen, so sorry guys, the 22s and up, but the OG Groms and the SF, you can use the same gauge cluster, and then the same gauge cluster is actually made by Coso instead. I believe her number is Coso DG1 or something like that. I am not sure, I forgot, but I think this is the spot. Why is there so much gas or people waiting? Do I need Fawn's car to go here? This is a nice area. Alright, well, let me get gas and then we'll see where to go. Looks like the ride started. And then it's funny because that one's tuned on A-Racer, but yeah, so there's 3 monkeys. These are all actually 19s. I think the blue's a 2020, but that one's a Coso 2 valve, which is actually what I want to do. But we're actually meeting up with the ride block guys, I think mid-ride. I don't know where. Oh look, that's a blow Porsche. But yeah, it's actually nice seeing all these other monkeys, and then this Yamaha scooter with the sidecar with his dog in it. Like, that's the coolest shit ever, man. When do you ever even see that? Look at this little dog. I don't know if you guys see that, but yeah, so this is one reason why, like, when I moved back to San Diego, I had to get another bike, just because the community here is big versus up at OC. OC definitely has a bike community, but down here I think the mini scene is pretty big, way bigger than normal. But there's a 2019 Yellow Bomb. He actually rides that as like his daily commuter, and that thing has, I think, almost 8,000 miles. And then he is running the D-Shem Stage 1, so that's the reflash with the exhaust and intake, and the mine's a Stage 2. The only difference is the cam. And then the monkey, the blue monkey behind me, that's a 2020. That one is a Coso 2 valve stock head, 16 tooth sprocket in the front, and his is actually running on auto tune off of I think an A-Racer Mini. I actually went on a group ride probably like 2 weeks ago, and it was pretty bad, as in, like, some guy actually got hit by a car, and then yeah, never again, not going to that one again. But this one's a lot smaller, so the ride should be a lot better. And sorry if I am sounding like I'm running out of breath, it's because this road's a piece of shit, and having this bike being lowered with the suspension is not helping. Oh my god, look at this dog, dude. I miss my dog. I don't know how long I'm gonna record, but we'll try to record the whole ride. It's a pretty long ride. We're actually going up the coast after. We're going up to Cardiff by the Sea for a pretty bomb pizza joint. So this is a real long ride because we're actually down south right now. Oh, Virginia place. Damn, that's money. Porsches are so expensive now. Aw, man. They sell sidecars for monkeys. Look at this guy, San Diego. This is one reason why I wanted a GoPro. It's just like you can see all this stuff. And look at this Porsche. That's sick, dude. Look at these rollers. I'm not even holding a camera. I just on my helmet. Look at these rollers. Oh, there's the 2020. I don't know how much power he makes. He hasn't dynoed it, but that is a 170 right there. He also has the baller exhaust, the Akrapovic exhaust. That's baller exhaust right there. I'm literally like the only like slammed monkey here. I think off to Fiesta Island to meet up with Rattleblock guys. I didn't know they were riding. I would have hit them up, but I thought they were too busy with Spocom. Oh, it's just so bumpy. Oh, then there's a Grom in front of us. That's the OG Grom with a, it's like a Yoshi, I forgot what the exhaust name is, but it's a Yoshimura exhaust. I love this. Just seeing three monkeys cruising, all different builds, different colors. It's the best thing you can ask for. It's still kind of warm. It's weird. So if I'm not moving, it's hot. When I'm moving, it's chilly. So I think it's pretty perfect weather. Yeah, SeaWorld right here. Should have started on my bike. What the hell? All four of us. Oh, not his. Hopefully my GoPro doesn't die. Ah, she shooting me with her exhaust. Oh, I don't have a horn. This is Fiesta Island. So, if you guys ever been to San Diego, this is Fiesta Island. This is an island where you can have a party, you can have a bonfire on, and the park ranger is there. Yeah. I was here last time, and then one of the park rangers was like, oh, pretty much like flashes lights at me, and then I guess pulled me over, said, hey, you shouldn't be off-roading that thing. I'm like, I'm trying to leave the lot. What are you talking about? He's like, you're not allowed on the sand. I'm like, what are you talking about? Why are these cars and motorcycles on the sand? So, yeah, look. It is off-roading. My monkey's technically supposed to do that, but it's lowered, so that, yeah. And upgrade shocks to where you are not gonna hit that point ever on this monkey. This is just the ultimate street cruiser. But yeah, I was here last time, and then he pretty much was asking me, where's your license or registration? And I was telling him, like, what the hell? Like, why do you need that? I'm just trying to leave. But anyways, that dude was, yeah. That's the first time I've ever encountered a, what is it? A cop that was, or a park ranger, not a cop, but like, yeah, that was annoying. But anyways, here's Fiesta Island. Welcome to San Diego, guys. Oh, squirrel. Woo! The hell was that? Cannot wait to go to Mount Julian, all the curvy roads. This bike feels amazing with this new wheel setup. The wheels are slightly, they're not as wide, but dude, this thing feels so good. And since it's not stretch, it feels even better. I do miss the stretch look, but on the monkey, I don't think stretching a monkey looks right. In my personal opinion, I think these kind of don't need a stretch. The Groms and then the Z125s definitely would stretch. Oh, happy birthday, 29. That was loud, bro. That was loud. Oh, yeah. He has an Insta 360, or whatever it's called. That thing is so loud, holy crap. Oh, I just realized that he has Ohio plates. San Diego never gets rid of construction. There's always construction everywhere you go now. It's insane. I'm assuming they're replacing a giant water line. What is this bike? I think it's a Honda, right? Or what is this? This is all downhill now. But I'll just chill. God damn. Okay. Those look so comfy. Those are two small wheels in the front. Here's the ocean. Oh, dead squirrel. This is, I think, to the right of me is Serena Valley, and then Del Mar and stuff. Oh damn. I will just follow the guy and the monkey because, just because. Look how beautiful San Diego is. If the sun was out, it'd be a lot nicer, but this, oh shit, we're hella far. I'm with my fellow monkey brethren. There's another monkey in the back, but his is a 170. He can catch up with no problem. He has a TV exhaust, or TV parts exhaust, which is cool. It's actually really quiet. Dude, you're hauling ass down there.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
That's topped out.
Yeah, because a big ass hill. Yeah. Oh, I smell oil. My bike's heating up. Yeah, see the light? It got hot. The same pin the whole time. This guy. These are air cooled, so it will cool off eventually. Yeah, it's dropping right now. Just literally have to keep moving. I think I know where we're going. She said Cardiff by the Sea, so probably like what, less than 10 minutes or so. This is the rich area. We have a house right here by the beach. You got money.